Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to make some thumbnails. Thumbnails are little small drawings that you do in preparation for making a larger finished drawing. The thumbnail is a way to plan your composition or how you're going to arrange the objects on your page. Hopefully by now you've made a viewfinder, which is a piece of paper with a hole in the center that is cut in a rectangle that is proportional to the paper that you're going to be using, which is 8.5 by 11. I'm going to use the viewfinder to create a kind of frame around the arrangement so that I can figure out a composition that I like. And the closer it is to my face, the more information shows, and the further away it is, the more it crops small sections. I've got a clean piece of scratch paper. I'm going to use my viewfinder to figure out a vertical composition. And I'm also going to be drawing a vertical rectangle on my scrap piece of paper. And then looking through the viewfinder, I'm just going to put in a really general idea of what I'm seeing. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm putting in very general bits of information just to give myself a guide. I'm not worrying about value or precision or accuracy. I'm just trying to get a sense of how it would look on the picture plane. Okay, so for my first thumbnail, I've got this vertical composition. You can see the base at the bottom and this wooden block and these little red scoop things and a few other things stacked up on top. I'm going to make a few more thumbnails and then I'll come back and explain what I've done. I've done 3 thumbnails, and the ones that I have, the first one that I talked a little bit about, the vertical one, covers a lot of the information that's in the setup. The second one is a horizontal composition, and it's got these little round objects and a little bit of space on either side, but a lot of vertical information as well. And then this one was a lot tighter cropped composition, which fills up the page a lot. I decided to go with this one in the middle. I like the horizontal composition, and I also like the fact that these little round objects repeat themselves, and there's another round object in the center that sort of creates a nice pattern. What I did is, in preparation for doing my bigger drawing, is that I've placed crosshairs, one going horizontally and one going vertically on the thumbnail, and that way I'll be able to blow it up onto my big piece of paper and be able to map it in with a gesture drawing.